Well, g'day viewers. Here we are having a look around the new boat, which is a South Coast 36. It's about to go for a little tour to Mooloolaba. We're just here at Rathmines at the moment, waiting for the weather to slightly improve and the wind to be blowing in roughly the right direction. There's boom staysail and a roller furler Yankee. Anchor and chain, 100 odd metres of anchor chain there. Couple of spinnaker poles, which I don't know if I'll ever use, because you need a couple of people to actually get one up. Main cockpit, dodgy self-steering arrangement. Come downstairs. Large chart table with plenty of storage underneath it, which fills up rapidly with rubbish. Pilot berth that's basically being used as a storage container. Galley, which is a galley. The berth here. And I think it's probably another berth up there too, but because the boat's painted blue, the sides get that hot. It's basically unusable. Then there's a settee here, which supposedly meant to turn into a bed, but for the life of me I haven't been able to get it to work, so I just use it as a settee. Move through. There's the head. Bit more storage around the thing. A large berth here in the file part. Bit more storage. There's bits of storage actually everywhere on this boat, which is really quite good. There's a large locker here, which is just more storage, and bit of a hanging locker. There's actually even more storage behind this locker. In behind there I found a bit of a shelf where there's even more space for storage. There's storage down underneath there for pots and pans. There's storage down underneath here for, which used to be a fridge, but I've removed the fridge bit because it didn't work, and I've just got the little camping fridge, which does me fine. Yeah. There you go, that's the new boat, the South Coast 36. Just about ready to sea. Okay, bye.